When the stray cat first appeared, Jamie left out food to help the animal survive. The stray seemed grateful for the offering, and over time Jamie grew fond of her. Then one day the cat surprised her by bringing Jamie a token of the stray's trust. Despite the fact that cats are companion animals, there are a lot of them living on the streets. In fact, data gathered for 2018 suggests there are over 58 million stray cats in the US alone. The sad part is they're not always viewed with compassion. That's because there are so many strays, which means that some people consider them nuisances. But like most homeless animals, they're actually just trying to survive. People abandon many of them, or they were born wild to stray parents. With that in mind, there are a number of organizations and charities out there trying to help street animals. In addition, plenty of people try to help strays in their own way too. Take Jamie, for example. The stray was a lovely tortoiseshell patterned female, and she seemed to appreciate the couple's gift. In fact, she enjoyed it so much that she returned the next day too. Thankfully, Jamie saw this coming and prepared accordingly. Jamie left out another dish of food in anticipation of their grateful guest. Sure enough, the ritual continued for the next few days, and during that time the stray won Jamie's heart. But it would seem that the cat wanted more from her newfound helpers. The trust subsequently built up between Jamie and the cat to the point where the stray brought her son along. Jamie told Love Meow about this event in July of 2016. When we came home and found that she'd brought him over, we were very surprised, she said. The stray's son was a lovely ginger kitten whom Jamie named Milo, but she knew straight away that something was wrong. The way that Milo moved indicated that he was somehow injured, and the problem seemed to occur whenever he walked. We found him and immediately knew that something was wrong, Jamie told Love Meow. He would hike his leg up and his hip would jet out real far. Consequently, she suspected a joint issue. We thought maybe his little hip was broken, Jamie explained. An injured kitten, even one with his mother to protect him, is easy pickings for predators. So Jamie brought Milo inside overnight to keep him safe, but what he really needed was medical help, and as a result she took him to the veterinarian the following morning. It was Milo's first medical examination, so the vet gave him the full treatment. We did x-rays, vaccinations, all the initial rounds necessary to ensure his health was taken care of, Jamie recalled. And during the test, the vet revealed the source of Milo's injury. The ginger kitten had not just broken one bone, but two, both his tibia and fibula. Exactly how this happened remains a mystery, but the most important thing is that it was treatable. However, Milo had to keep his leg in a cast until it healed. He should have his cast on for about 3 more weeks, Jamie told Love Meow at the time. She couldn't just leave Milo out in the streets though, so he went to live with her. It was another first experience for Milo, a safe home. Milo's new home didn't turn out to be temporary either. After his leg was healed, Jamie adopted him as her fur baby. Vet put a cast on Milo and he hasn't left our side since, she revealed. His mommy never adjusted to a domesticated life though. Although Jamie tried to offer Milo's mom a home too, she seemed to enjoy her freedom. I think she's just so used to being outside, Jamie explained. She didn't give up on the street cat completely, however, and kept up her established routine. That is to say, Jamie kept leaving food out for mommy cat just in case she wanted a home. But the kitten just seemed content having a steady supply of food and knowing that her kitten was safe. And as for Milo, he was having the time of his life. Jamie told Love Meow that Milo enjoys being spoiled by his new owners. He now knows our routine and greets us at the door when he knows he'll get a treat, or two, she revealed. His injury didn't get him down either. Even with a cast on his leg, in fact, Milo was playful and affectionate. He particularly enjoyed messing around on Jamie's soft bed. And Milo wasn't the only one who benefited from his new home. Jamie explained that she was just as happy as him with the arrangement. Milo is the best thing that's happened to me in a long time, Jamie told Love Meow. It's amazing what a little love and compassion can do for the life of a stray. And sometimes adopting one can fill a gap in your life that you never knew existed. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.